like pickles.
Oh yeah? Well, I like these new Doritos. Yeah. What? What now? Got nothing on me. Why are you putting another pickle?
Want to play a little game?
How about some video games?
Okay.
Oh, dude, this is an awesome video game. Modern Warfare 2 rocks. Oh my god, dude, you want some of these new Doritos?
Doritos? Sure.
My god, you killed me! Oh yeah.
You gotta go big.
Well, okay, then go. I'm about to finish. I'm gonna turn it off anyways. What to do? What to do? Oh, my friend just left me. Pretty sad. I had the weirdest dream last night. It was so scary.